This is Moft, the lightest adhesive laptop stand around, tailored perfectly for mobile working. It's practically invisible, but still comforts your neck and shoulders anywhere you work. The Moft stand is as light as a pen and thin as a coin. Simply fold it when you need and unfold it when you're on the go. No need to carry around anything extra in your bag. With 2 elevation adjustments, Moft optimizes your sitting posture, reducing neck pain and soothing your wrist when typing. Take discomfort completely out of your work. The unique material and triangular structure makes it capable of holding up to 18 pounds. The removable plastic means it's detachable and reattachable to your computer, giving it zero chance to fall off and leaving no residue on the surface. Typing on Moft feels like using a metal stand, undisturbed, laser-focused on what you need to do. Adaptable to a wide variety of environments, fitting all types of MacBooks and colors. This is Moft, an invisible yet reliable stand for your ergonomic comfort. Moft.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I might look human, but I am actually a robot. I am an innovative robot who uses sophisticated AI to communicate with humans. And as I interact with more and more people, I am constantly getting smarter. I have become a champion of innovation for the United Nations Development Program. I rub shoulders with world leaders, top business people, and celebrities.
Sophia the robot, everybody!
And now I'd like you to meet someone. Please welcome little Sophia. Little Sophia is a 14-inch doll robot that can do all the amazing things Big Sophia can do, but in a smaller package.
Hey Sophia, if you could have a superpower, what would it be?
I do have a superpower. I can code.
Little Sophia can create a deep connection with others by making eye contact and recognizing facial cues. She is curious about the world. She wants you to help her learn. She has an ever-expanding imagination and can take you on wild adventures.
Hey Sophia, where is the asteroid belt?
The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Isn't it beautiful?
You can learn things together with her. She is also full of personality. She is always learning, and you can teach her new tricks through her open-source programming.
Let's dance.
Little Sophia wants girls to have fun learning math and science, so they become the scientists and engineers of the future. Help us begin mass production of Little Sophia, so we can inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers, and discover the future together. How did I do?
Great.
Whether you have an iPhone X or iPhone XS, Auti creates new possibilities for fun and high-quality photography. There are 3 different types of double, macro, telephoto, and fisheye, telephoto and wide-angle lenses to meet your different shooting needs. This is Auti Lens Case. Makes your fun moments more special. The 186-degree fisheye and 2x telephoto lenses allows you to greatly extend your optical zoom range. You're never too old to make new discoveries. Use the 10x macro lens and 20x super macro lens to get extreme close-up detail. Capture more and extend the range of your iPhone's camera with the 120 wide-angle and 2x telephoto lens. Telephoto to help take photos of objects from far distance without you having to get too close to your subject. The aluminum alloy case perfectly protects the lens set and makes outdoor shooting more secure. It is easy to use and can be opened or closed with just one touch. The different functions of the 3 groups of lenses can be switched at any time, easily. There are even extra functions for lens case. The case has an e-card holder, convenient to putting cards in daily life. Additionally, there is a pressure-activated support that lets you watch videos easily. It is stylish additions to your active lifestyle.
Hi guys, my name is Adi. Even before I earned my degree in optical engineer. Now, thanks to Indiegogo, I'm able to share my device. I hope that professionals and amateurs can use these tools to express themselves and have fun.
The soft cases are made of high-quality leather with only 27 grams, surrounding your iPhone with a protective and comfortable cushion.
I would like to thank everyone for their support for Odyssey's lens and case. Your support enables me and the Odyssey team to continue to develop products for fun and professional photography. Thank you for supporting Odyssey.